Hey guys, this is your artist TolgArt, and today I'm gonna recreate another drawing of my childhood. Well, it's from 9 years ago, so I was 17 years old that time. I'm 26 now, not really a child back then, but anyways, let's call it old art versus new. So before we start, do me a favor and subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. Do it right now guys, that's really important. When you're done, we can start. I got so many drawings from my childhood guys, and I will make a lot of videos like that. It's really fun and you guys love it too. And as I mentioned before, this one is from 2009 and it looks like a Dragon Ball Z character, like a villain. And I have to say it's not bad at all. The proportions are good and the design is also not bad. It doesn't look like any other character which I know. So we can say that this guy is a new character of Dragon Ball. And before I talk too much, let's start redrawing an old drawing of mine. Let's go!
Rolling like water in the sea, the memories crashing into me, so close to the edge of something so worth it. You had the world right at your feet, and almost is all we'll ever be.
We just finished the sketch. I drew him in the same pose with just a little change. So we can see that this guy is pure evil. He already looks very strong and like a badass. I would love to see this guy fighting Goku and Vegeta. Maybe someday.
Watching it end again and again. I feel it in waves, you follow me, drifting to places I should leave, so close to the edge of something so perfect. We were too scared to take the leap, I'm missing the way we used to be. Let me go.
And done with the inking. As you guys know, I like to ink with two layers. First in normal style, after that with the thicker lines, which I love to do. It gives my drawings a special uniqueness. So it looks very clean, and I think we are ready to color this guy. As you can see, I didn't use any colors for the old one. That means that we can now choose any colors we want. Let's check out which ones I have chosen. And that's it, guys. Here we have a new villain to fight Goku and Vegeta. I love the design. The colors fit perfectly and the attitude of this guy is just powerful. Now we need a name for him. Do you have any ideas? Write that down in the comments, guys. When we compare the two, we can see huge improvements. But after 9 years, that's not a surprise. With time and dedication, you will improve in any task. I have to say, I just started drawing again 5 years ago. Before that time I didn't draw anything. Thanks God I found my passion back. Well, and that's it for today, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video and liked the character. If you like him, show me by thumb up this video. And don't forget to give me some name ideas in the comments. I'm sure that we will see this guy more often on my channel. Thank you for watching, and I see you next week. Until then, stay healthy, be fit, be a good person, be you, and always remember, you are the designer of your own life.